Welcome back to this module on ITIL Services Value System. We shall be continuing our discussion on service value. The first topic of discussion is organizational agility and organizational resilience. Organizational agility is the ability of an organization to move and adapt quickly, flexibly, and decisively to support internal changes. These might include changes to the scope of the organization, mergers and acquisitions, changing organizational practices, or technologies requiring different skills or organizational structure and changes to relationships with partners and suppliers. Organizational resilience is the ability of an organization to anticipate, prepare for, respond to, and adapt to both incremental changes and sudden disruptions from an external perspective. External influences could be political, economic, social, technological, legal, or environmental. Resilience cannot be achieved without a common understanding of the organization's priorities and objectives, which sets the direction and promotes alignment even as external circumstances change. Opportunity, demand, and value is the next concept. Opportunity and demand trigger activities within the ITIL SVS, and these activities lead to the creation of value. Opportunity and demand are always entering into the system, but the organization does not automatically accept all opportunities or satisfy all demand. Opportunity represents options or possibilities to add value for stakeholders or otherwise improve the organization. There may not be demand for these opportunities yet, but they can still trigger work within the system. Organizations should prioritize new or changed services with opportunities for improvement to ensure their resources are correctly allocated. Demand represents the need or desires for products and services from internal and external customers. Let's learn about the ITIL guiding principles. The guiding principles can be used to guide organizations in their work as they adopt a service management approach and adapt ITIL guidance to their own specific needs and circumstances. The guiding principles encourage and support organizations in continual improvements at all levels. These principles are also reflected in many other frameworks, methods, standards, philosophies, and/or bodies of knowledge, such as Lean, Agile, DevOps, and COBIT. The guiding principles are applicable to practically any initiative and to all relationships with stakeholder groups. For example, the first principle, focus on value, can and should be applied not only to service consumers, but to all relevant stakeholders and their respective definitions of value. With that, we will end this session on service value. In the next video, we will continue with other concepts in the service value system. Until then, goodbye.